Hi, this is Benita. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to learn how to launch a loyalty program using WPLoyalty points and rewards for WooCommerce plugin. Yes, the plugin that you're seeing on the screen right now. Let me give you a quick introduction to this plugin. This plugin allows you to create customized loyalty programs and reward customers for various actions like purchases, sign up, reviews, referrals, and social shares. We're going to start off with the installation of this plugin. Before you can install the plugin on WordPress, you will have to first purchase it. To purchase, you can visit this link which will allow you to purchase the plugin by clicking on this button. Once you have successfully purchased the plugin, you will be allowed to download a zip file of this plugin. Okay. After you have downloaded the zip file, you can just go to your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins tab and click on add new, which will ask you to upload the file you have just downloaded. So click on upload plugin, which will ask you to choose the file. Click on choose file, which will take you to your downloads, and then click on WPLoyalty. Click open. Now it will be ready for installation. After you see this, please click on install now, which will get the package ready. Now all that you have to do is click on activate plugin and you'll be able to see that the WPLoyalty plugin is successfully activated on your site. Nice. Once you have successfully finished the installation of this plugin, you'll be able to see WPLoyalty here and the WordPress dashboard. Now let's go to WPLoyalty by clicking on this and see what WPLoyalty offers for us. Now, as soon as you click on this WPLoyalty, you will be able to see the onboarding process. Alright, so this is useful for the initial setup of the plugin. But if you want to skip this step, you can also choose to do it by clicking on this skip onboarding button. Nice. Now we're going to select what type of loyalty programs we would like to offer to the customers. So for today's video, we're going to be using points. So click on points, which will allow us to reward customers points for various actions they do. Alright, nice. So after you select points, you can click on create, which will take you to the next step, where we can choose customer actions that we would like to reward. So here you can choose for which action you would like to reward the customers for, and I'm going to reward customers for purchase made by them. So in order to do that, we are going to be selecting point for purchase. Okay, and then here is the scenario that we're going to set up. For this video, we will pick out a scenario where we're going to offer 1 point for every $1 spent by the customer. Alright, so we're going to be selecting 1. Customer earn points is going to be 1 point for every $1 spent. After you set this up, you can just click on create, which will move on to the next step. In this next step, we're going to be creating rewards for customers to redeem their points. In the previous step, we allowed customers to gain points based on the amount they spend. But here we are going to allow them to redeem the collected points. Alright. So for redemption, we're going to be choosing point conversion, which basically converts points into dollars. Alright. So for this, I'm going to be setting 500 points for the worth of $5. Alright. So if customers purchase 500 points, they'll be given a $5 reward. Okay. So this is point conversion basically. So even if customers buy less than 500 points, it will convert the reward based on the setup that we have done here. Okay, nice. Then click on create. This will take you to the next step, which asks you to pick a theme for your brand. So you're going to select a theme. I'm going to leave it with purple and click on create. This will show the summary of your previous steps. Alright, you can go ahead, click on previous steps and also edit them if you want anytime. And then after you have successfully seen everything and verified, you can click on continue. Now you'll be able to see a sign that says basic setup finished, progress completed. Alright, you can also contact support and view our help documents regarding queries if you have any. And then you will see this button called launch WPLoyalty. Successful. We're going to be launching WPLoyalty right now by clicking on this button. Okay, now once you click on launch WPLoyalty button, you will be able to see the WPLoyalty's dashboard. Nice, isn't it? This is how the dashboard looks like. And you will be able to see the campaigns that you have created under the campaigns tab. Point for purchase, 1 points for $1 spent. Alright, and then under the rewards tab, you'll be able to see the redemption that we have set for customers, which is point conversion, $5 reward for 500 points. Nice, isn't it? You can also change this if you want by clicking on the edit option that you see here. Well, so far we have seen how to install the plugin. We've also created campaigns for customers to earn points. We've also set rewards for them to redeem the points they have earned. Alright, we'll move on to the next important thing, which is to allow customers discover the loyalty program. To do this, we have several options that you can see and make use of. Let me show you the first option that is readily available for users to discover the loyalty program. For this, we may have to go to the storefront, and let me take you to the shop page where you'll be able to see messages on each product. We're going to talk about these messages right now. So the message says purchase and earn 120 points. So this message is called the earn points message. Alright, so any user who's visiting your store will be able to know that if they purchase this product, they'll be able to earn this point. Alright. So how does this message display is from the settings. And one important thing to notice is this message displays based on the campaign that we have created. Remember, we created a earn 1 point for every $1 spent by the customer, right? So that campaign is being used here and the message is displayed accordingly. Similarly, this is on the shop page, but there are also other pages where you can view different messages. For this, let me take you to the cart page and show you what I'm talking about. Right now we are on the cart page, and on the cart page on the top you are able to see a message which says complete your order and earn 120 points and rewards for a discount on a future purchase. So this is again the earn points message on the cart page. Similarly, at the time of redemption, there will be other messages that is displayed to the customer in the cart and checkout pages. Alright, let's see how to enable this so that the customers can discover the program pretty easily. Alright, so let's go back to the dashboard and move on to the settings tab, under which we'll be able to find something called display messages. Now here we will choose what to be displayed on different pages. Alright, so let's go to the display messages and you can see different pages that are being stated here. Let's start with the products page. Here you can see that you can change the position of the earn points product message. Alright. Right now you can see it is on the shop page, it's before add to cart. You can choose to display it after add to cart or any other positions you would like to. Next we'll move on to the cart page. Here you can see right now I have enabled the cart page on message, and that is why I'm able to see this message on my cart page. Alright, so make sure you enable these messages so that it's easy for customers to understand that there is loyalty program running. You can see here is the message, and you can also customize the message. You will be able to see shortcodes which basically retrieves the points based on the campaigns that we have created. You can also change the position of the earn points cart message. Right now it's on the top. You can move this further down or anywhere you want using the options here. Similarly for the redeem message. So this redeem message appears only when user is able to redeem points, is qualified to redeem points. Alright. So you can turn this on and then customize the message as well. Also change the position of these cart page messages. Similarly for the checkout, and there is this section called branding where you can customize it further, like change color, the text color and the background color, etc. for both these messages. Nice, isn't it? So once you finish all your customizations, you can save these changes so that they are saved successfully. Now this is one way to let customers know that there's a loyalty program running. We'll move on to the next option that is available, and it's quite attractive. What I'm talking about is the launcher. Let me take you to the storefront and show you what this launcher is. WPLoyalty offers you this attractive launcher where you can allow users to discover the loyalty program you have for them. Alright, so on the shop page you're able to see this launcher. Alright, it appears on every other pages too, yes. So here you can see this launcher. This is the one that I'm talking about. Since I'm logged in already, I'm able to see points, available points and earn and redeem options. But if I'm not logged in, it will basically ask me to sign up for the loyalty program first in this launcher. Alright, so this launcher is an absolutely essential thing for your customers to discover the loyalty program. Alright, let me go to the settings and show you how to enable this. This comes by default. As soon as you install the plugin, you'll be able to see this launcher. Let me take you to the add-ons tab and show you how to customize it or edit the launcher according to your needs. Okay, if you go to the add-ons tab, you'll be able to see that WPLoyalty launcher is present. So this is there by default. You don't have to separately download it or install it. Alright, so whenever you want to customize this, you can just click on open and you'll be able to see options like these to customize the launcher. The first one is design, where you can edit logo, colors, and even change visibility, etc. Alright, and then now you can see that the launcher will look like this for the guest user. It asks you to sign up for the program. Alright, for the logged in users, it will directly display the points they have and ways to earn and redeem points. Alright, we'll move on to the content. So to the content page, you will be able to see the two different views. One is for guest user, as I told before, which asks you to sign up for the program. And then members will be able to see the available points and earn and redeem messages. Nice, isn't it? Similarly, you can edit the banner and then earn and redeem. Okay, you can even set images for all of them. And then referrals, you can change the title or description according to your needs. And then the third one is the launcher. If you click on launcher, you'll be able to see visibility and the fonts and the text that you can change. You can also choose if this launcher should be displayed only on mobile or desktop view, and then spacing, etc. Once you do the necessary customizations, please make sure to save the settings so they are reflected properly. Nice, now the settings are saved. So this is the second attractive option we have for customers to discover the loyalty program. Let's move on to the third option we have, which is a page where customers can view their loyalty program information. What I mean to say is, here's where customers will view everything about their loyalty program, like points, rewards, and ways to earn their points and rewards in a single page. What am I talking about? Let me show you. Let me take you to the storefront and show you this page where customers can know all about their loyalty program. Let's go to my accounts page. As soon as you go, you'll be able to see different options and pages. Let's go to points and rewards page. This is the page where customers can view their available points, their redeem points, and their ways to earn rewards, etc. Also their transactional history. Yes, this page is there by default. So as soon as you install WPLoyalty, you will be able to see this page. Alright, but as you can see now, customers have to find a way to get into this page. Right, you'll have to go to my accounts and then view points and rewards page. But if you want to create a dedicated page which is readily available as soon as the customers visit the store, then you can just create a new page. Alright, to create a new page and add it to the list of menu like you see here, what you'll have to do is go back to the WordPress dashboard and start creating a page. So click on pages that you see here and click on add new, which will allow you to create a dedicated page for customers can view. So let's give it a title. We're going to name this customer rewards page. Rewards page. Yes. So after you enter a suitable title, we're going to copy a shortcode from the document. So this is the shortcode that will give all the content that we need for the page. Alright. So let's just copy this shortcode and then go back to the add new page and click here and paste the URL that we copied. Okay, after you paste the URL, you can go ahead and publish this particular page. Okay, now you can see that the page is published, and if we go back to our storefront and refresh it, we'll be able to see that this page is readily added here to the list of menu items. And you can click on customers reward page, which will take you to the page that we saw earlier. Alright, so two different ways for customers to know. One is they'll have to just go to my accounts and then find the points and rewards page, or if you want to have a dedicated page where they can instantly view their information, you can create one. Alright, now you can see on the customer rewards page there are limited information like my points, ways to earn rewards, etc. But you can also enable other informations that you want customers to know. For doing this, we may have to go back to the dashboard, WPLoyalty's dashboard. Alright. And let me take you to the settings to see what other options you have for customers to view other things on the customer reward page. Alright, let's go to settings, under which you will find something called customer reward page. Here's where you can choose what to be shown to the customers. You can see show ways to earn section is right now enabled. Show campaign point display is enabled. Show reward opportunity section is hidden. You can also choose to enable this one, and you'll be able to see reward opportunity section as well. Alright, and then you can see a show transactions section. So if you enable all of these, you'll be able to see that information being displayed on the customer's rewards page. Nice, isn't it? You can also see there are ways to customize all the information you see in the customer reward page. Like you can give a different icon for the redeemed and available points, theme color for the customer reward page, heading text color, all of these things can be done. Interesting, isn't it? That is what I wanted to show you. Like you have seen that we'll have to add 2 new pages, etc. You can also click on this create loyalty page, which will instantly create the page for you if you don't want to go through a lot of process like adding a new page, etc. Nice, isn't it? Now that we have finished all the basic setup necessary for customers to check in and just enjoy using the loyalty program, we will move forward to testing this loyalty program. Alright, to test this, let me go to the storefront. I have already logged in. Okay, so that's why you are able to see this view here. Alright, so customers, when generally they visit your store, they'll be able to see this launcher where they can get to know about the loyalty program, and they'll be asked to sign in. Okay, so they can either sign in here or go to my accounts page and then sign in there as well. Alright, so that wouldn't be an issue. Since I'm already signed in, let me proceed forward in testing this loyalty program. Alright, now let me take you to the customers rewards page where I can see ways to earn rewards, which says points for purchase, 1 point for each dollar spent. Nice, isn't it? So now as a customer, I'm able to see that I can earn rewards or earn points. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is go to cart and add some items. I've already added 1 item. Let me go ahead and add few others. So let me go to the shop page and purchase some products. Well, let's purchase this beanie cap and then add products. Now I have logged in as a customer and I'm starting to shop products. Okay, and I'm trying to earn points basically. So you can see that I've purchased products like ribbon and beanie cap of different quantities. And you can see this message that says complete your order and earn so and so points and rewards for a discount on future purchase. Okay, based on the campaign that we have set up. Okay, now if I complete this order, I'll be able to earn points. So let me just go ahead and proceed to checkout. Allow me some time while I complete my order and earn points. Yeah, I have completed the order and you can see a message that tells me that I have earned 528 points for this order and I have a total of 528. Nice, isn't it? Now I have successfully earned points on this order. Always remember that redemption can be done only in the next order and not in the first order itself. Alright, so to redeem the points I have collected, I may have to go to the customer rewards page again and I will show you the available points I have at the moment. So the available points I have right now is 528. I haven't redeemed any point yet, so you can see that is set to 0. And now, since I have earned points, I'll be able to see something like this called My Rewards, where I am able to see that there are options for me to redeem the points I have. Okay, so customers will be able to see this. All that they have to do to redeem points is click on this Redeem Now button, which will ask them how much points they would like to use. Okay, so I can just select how many points I want to use or redeem. Okay, so I'm going to be selecting 500. Okay, so now if I click on OK, I'll be able to see that a coupon is generated instantly. Okay, and this coupon will be applied to the cart as well. Okay, now remember this is the next order. Okay, so I'm going to purchase products again. Okay, so I'm purchasing this product, and now you will be able to see a reward of $5 is applied based on the redemption that we have set earlier, right? For $5 for 500 points. So since I choose to redeem 500 points, I'm able to receive this reward here. Now you can see two different messages. One says complete your order and earn 120 points in rewards for a discount on future purchase, which means since I purchased this product 120 based on the campaign that we've created, 1 point for every $1 spent, the points that I can earn in this order is 120. Alright, and you can see a second message which says you have 28 points earned, so choose your rewards, which says my remaining points is 28 right now. Remember, previously I had 528 points earned from my first order. I have spent 500 points in this order, which is given as a coupon to me as a reward, right? Now you can see that the remaining points I have is 28. Let me take you to the customer rewards page to explain this in detail. So earlier you were able to see available points for 528. Now you can see the redeem points that I have redeemed is 500. So 528 minus 500 will be 28, and the available points is 28, right? Nice. And you can also see the transactional history here, the recent activities and ways to earn rewards. This is how loyalty program works. A basic program. You can also have additional advanced things or advanced programs you want to give, even for other various actions. Now this one that we have seen is an example for the action purchase, okay, based on customers' purchase and the amount, okay, they have for each purchase. But there are also other various actions that you can choose to reward customers for. When I say other actions, let me show you in detail what are the other actions that we can allow customers to earn rewards. For this, let's go back to the WP Loyalties dashboard and go to Campaigns tab. And when you click on Create New Campaign, you will be able to see other various options or actions that you can allow customers to earn rewards for. Okay, right now for this video we have used the scenario points for purchase. That is, for purchase action, customers were able to earn points and redeem points, right? There are other few actions that customers can actually earn rewards for, which, for example, let's take sign up. So if the customers sign up for the loyalty program, we can also reward them. We can give points for them just because they have signed up for the loyalty program. Also, there are other actions like writing a review for few products. So if they leave a review for products, then they can earn points for that particular action as well, which they can later redeem in the next purchase, right? So these are some other actions that the customers can choose to get rewards for. All right, let me show you a quick example or an overview of these two campaigns. Okay, let's create this sign up campaign. Now if I click on create campaign, I'll be able to go to this campaign configuration. Here I'll have to give a name for the campaign. Okay, so let's say we're going to give 5 points for sign up. So let's give earn 5 points for sign up, and then a campaign description. Choose the type of reward. You can see by default there are two different rewards that you can give. One is points or coupon. So let's stick with points now, and let's set 5 points for sign up action. Okay, you'll be able to see a message to display on the account creation or sign up page. So here's the message that will be displayed, which says sign up and earn so and so points. So these shortcodes again are going to retrieve the number of points they can earn. You can also customize it by editing these words. Okay, and there's also campaign start date and end date. You can also choose to give a validity for this particular campaign. And then campaign visibility or ways to earn section. Right now it's put to show, which means that on the customer rewards page, you'll be able to see this. If you do not want to show it, then you can choose to hide it. Nice. You can also add other conditions to this particular campaign, but right now let's keep it very simple. And if we save and close this campaign, you'll be able to see that a campaign is created successfully for the particular action called sign up. So anytime customers sign up for the loyalty program, they'll be able to earn 5 points, and you can also set an opportunity for them to redeem the 5 points they have collected using the rewards here, okay, which we can see later. Let me talk about the next action. Let's click on create new campaign, and the next action that we can reward customers for is writing a review. This works especially when customers leave a review for a particular product. Let's click on create campaign, which will take you to the campaign configuration. You can just enter a name here which is suitable for your campaign that you're going to create, and then a description here. Choose the type of reward, again points or coupon reward, and you can also set how many points you would like to offer for customers who have left a review for products, okay. And then same things, message to display on the product reviews section of your store. So if they go to the store and then under the review section, they'll be able to see this particular message which says review and earn so and so points. Alright, so these are some other actions that customers can collect their points and then redeem it in the future. To the conclusion of this video, let me remind you one important thing that is still left. Let's go to settings tab, under which you'll find something called emails. So there are different emails that you can send to customers notifying what specifically they've done. Alright, for example, on the occasion of earning points, customers will receive this email. It says you have earned points. So this is for points earned. There are also other emails like reward earned and reward expiry notification. You can go to the settings tab, and under emails you'll be able to see there's an option to customize these emails as well by clicking on the edit option. So let's go one by one and check this out. If I click on edit option for points earned, I'll be able to see something like this. Here's the default template which says you have earned, nice work, you've earned so and so points, refer your friends and referral URL. This is when you have selected a referral program, but right now we haven't done anything like that. So this is useful if you have a referral program. And then this particular email will be sent when customers earn points. Similarly for other different actions like when they have earned reward or a reward expiry notification. When you have set validity for rewards, then you can make use of this. So these emails can be customized and sent to customers for better communication. Nice, isn't it? That's all about the loyalty program using WPLoyalty points and rewards for WooCommerce plugin. Alright, it's simple and easy to use, and it's a great plugin. This is just the basic of what we have seen in today's video, but there are several other advanced things you can do for various actions of the customers. That is going to be exciting. We're going to be seeing more videos in the future, but thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope this was helpful.